Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Na moyo ule ke kwa Abincha Joseph. Abincha Joseph Barong Executive Secretary of Phuket Kisi County. Kuachira on behalf of the leadership and the teachers of this county. Kuachira kwa the family yung Abel. Kuma devi pole sana so usiri mama mino. So on behalf of all these leaders who have just left the stage, and on behalf of the leadership of the union and all the teachers of this great county, tumeleta pole zetu. And we are humble and we are happy by the sermon that was given. Pastor Andrew sana, we were really nourished and we were happy to stand with this family during this time. Yes, I have a name and our this is a chance. And on behalf of the leadership again, over this year, Mheshimiwa Milto Waiga, who is my great friend. There we are going to wait as a monitor in msimu wa mtihani inaenda kwanza. When we start examinations, toko sawa mobaba toeru na ndama temtoka wote gara mangi, and like what we are having previously. Abana to wata mataba para grade 6 and grade 9, which means in the region here comprehensive schools crowding in Karo Abantona Bangi Wakaro. Then KCSE will be there. Toko basaba moto wa desmono na dato sono menu yeto ni toko ne usaria no tema si para weto wa usi mongi weto biego kera wana weto wa corona tempa ti wa para na temo alo buya mo ne weto kumnya ka puro na mate whatever this is happening here happening there umurancha motige kiagara mo usita ko iba matemo ni toko ka tuana kuesera gili de sky so ndarigo to wana ni leo. So tu abana iria abana wetu once barodi okora matemo kichesea and KCSE tuko bakanilia maya na wanu wali wetu bagenda kubarenda na watu bakanilia maya na wali bagenda kumaki after this also we want to wish them well. Inside the Austin among the union we know how to do it with Abel.